Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Instagram story waiting for connection. There are many ways to do this. So the first one would be is you need to reconnect your Wi-Fi, turn it on and off. If it doesn't work, you can turn on your mobile data, and if it doesn't work, what you need to do is you need to go to your browser and search for down detector and see if Instagram is is having problems. So like if you check on Reddit, you can see there are outages reported, and what you need to do is you just need to wait for your story to be uploaded, especially when you have like lots of photos and videos that you're trying to upload. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.